Several laptop brands block installing drivers from the hardware manufacturer website, so you must obtain a driver from the laptop manufacturer. However, you don't always have the most recent version of the driver. You can update your driver from the hardware manufacturer and bypass the error by the following method. Here is an example of installing Intel graphics driver for Windows 10. As you can see, we receive an error that the driver is not validated. For a fix, you need to download the zip version of the driver. You'll have to extract it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Right-click on the hardware you want to update and click Update Driver, and follow these steps. As you can see, the driver is updated with the latest version. Please don't forget to post your issues and questions in the comments section. I will do my best to create a comprehensive video for you. Lastly, if you are interested in my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.